Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw XDC from XMO to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how crucial it is to secure your assets, and moving them to a hardware wallet like Ledger is a smart move. XDC, the native token of the Shin-Fin network, is gaining traction for its use in smart contracts and decentralized finance, so let's get you set up safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you're prepared. You'll need an XMO account with XDC in it, your Ledger Nano X device fully set up and updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility, and the XDC app installed on your Ledger. Always double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked. Security is key here to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your XMO account on their official website or app. Head over to the Wallets or Balance section and find your XDC holdings. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal page. Look for a Withdraw button, usually in the Asset Management area. Step 2. Select XDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Now, switch to your Ledger Nano X. Open the XDC app on your device. It should display your receiving address on the screen. Never type this address manually. Copy it directly from your Ledger to avoid errors. Step 3. Paste the address into the XMO withdrawal form. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're withdrawing, don't forget to account for network fees, which might be around 0.01 XDC in 2025, and any two-factor authentication requirements. Hit Confirm and approve the transaction on XMO. Once submitted, the transaction will go through the blockchain. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Ledger Nano X for the incoming funds. Once it shows up, you're good to go. A quick tip. Always use the official XMO and Ledger resources, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, stay updated on any new KYC requirements. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there.